loose, so I just got me a package. I'm pretty sure I know what it is already based on the size and the way it sounds. So it should be my headers. I already pretty much opened it, but I'll show you. I'm not a big fan of this iPhone camera. It's too zoomed in. Let's see. This is for the shorty headers. That's what it looks like. So these are the headers, eBay special. They don't look too bad. I mean, they got a couple dings or whatever, but it's metal. The wheels aren't all that bad either, for the most part. Screw these up for the O2 sensors. We got the gasket and the bolts, but I don't have an exhaust right now because I cut it. Let's see. Yep, looks real good. Let me try and fit them on the car in just a second, and then I guess I'll start the car. I kind of want to because I didn't put my torque converter on the transmission right, so it's kind of free spinning on the transmission. So it's obviously will grind on the transmission input shaft every time I turn it on. But we'll see. Gotta take the transmission loose anyway. So let me go ahead and install these real quick. Take the old ones off. Alright, it's loose, so it should just slide right out, but like I said, it should slide right out. Anything with cars is always going to be difficult.
Shit, you see?
All right, so with some teamwork, we got it out.
Right there. We did that shit.
These are faggots.
I'm not gay.
What are you talking about?
You know who gay?
No.
G.
I'm trying
G
to struggle to get these in there.
Videotape us, Nick. I mean, Trevor.
Let's go ahead.
Stop,
what?
boy. Oh, my darling. Sit down. So aggressive, ain't it?
You don't know how to act. I'm putting the O2 sensors in there now. So this one's before the cat, and this one over here is before the catalytic converter. So for a car that has catalytic converters, so the computer doesn't freak out or anything like that, you have to put one of these little adapter things on here, which basically trick the computer into thinking that the cat is still there. What is that?
I said you gonna put it in there now?
Yeah. You don't know how to act. Anyway, yeah, we got this little adapter, put that in there. Got like 4 of these, probably only needed like 1, maybe 2 for the one under the car, but like I said, no exhaust under there, so go ahead and install these real quick.
Bruh, it sound like that whole shooting flames.
I think it is. God.
Is your shit shooting flames, bro?
That's why I put the GoPro under the car. Baby, it's too loud. Open headers.
You got a front recorder?
Huh? Yeah. So basically just flip the camera. I don't like having to hold the phone like that. It's annoying. My arm is all the way out here. Yes. Yeah. You gay. All right. So that's it for this video. It's loud as hell for one, because open headers. I need exhaust or new exhaust, whatever. But yeah, I got some eBay headers, $74 shipped. It actually came in like 4 days early, actually. It looks good. Sounds retarded. But if you want one, just go to eBay and get one.